How to turn on predictive text on Android and enable word suggestions on your keyboard. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap General Management. Next, tap On-Screen Keyboard, Keyboard Settings, or Input Method, then select the keyboard you use. If you're using Gboard, tap Gboard. Now, select Text Correction or Corrections and Suggestions. Make sure Show Suggestion Strip is turned on. This displays word suggestions above your keyboard while you type. Next, enable Next Word Suggestions if available. This allows your keyboard to predict the next word based on your typing. To test it, open Messages, Chrome, or another app and start typing. You should now see predictive text and word suggestions appearing above the keyboard. And that's it. You've successfully turned on predictive text on Android and can type faster with helpful word suggestions. If this tutorial helped you, click like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and share this video with others.